We give such good conditions. They were obviously moved, but no one dared to sign up.
The Jiang family paid such a low wage. Wages are also in arrears. If it were me, I would have left early. Could it be that the Jiang family gave them additional benefits?
Xiaobai's down to me. The last thing he wants to do is about spending money on co-workers. He must have used some shady means.
What kind of means would it be?
Lao Shuan, you know this group best. What do you say can really threaten them?
Sweating and bleeding is nothing to us. But the only thing that is most high is family.
It's hard to. They blatantly kidnap their families.
Xiaobai is there less of a similar thing?
Xiaobai is so hateful.
The most important thing now is to find the hostages, rescue the families of the workers, let them get rid of the danger of the Chiang family. This way they will willing to leave the Chiang family.
But Samus, where can we find the families of the imprisoned workers?
There is one person who knows.
Zhang Yuan,
He said everything.
how do you know Jiang Yuan knows here?
Lao Diang is always cunning and cunning. Except for himself, he doesn't trust him. The only thing that's possible to know, it was his son.
I can see it all color. Jeez,
What's going on inside?
there were 6 workers guarding it. There are also many families of workers.
That's.
Go and save people.
Let's go ahead with the plan first, so not to startle Snake.
What? You are the.
What are you afraid of?
Now it is to collect evidence of the Jiang family's crimes, and then they all ended.
We don't have enough people.
Now is not.
Here comes it.
Let's get ready to go inside.
Wait a minute. Let's plan. You divide everyone into 3 teams. I enter from the left with a team. You lead the second team into from the right. You enter from the front with 3 teams.
Don't be afraid, we are here to save you.
Don't be nervous. We're here to save everyone.
老王，把大家带出去吧。
Unlawful confinement. It's enough for the Jiang family to stand it.
Mr. Jiang's the best at finding someone to replace. I'm afraid this clue hasn't been found. The clue was broken.
At least we rescued the families of the workers.
That's right. We make arrangements for these families first.
They beat. Did you fight back? How could they do that?
It was that big brother who saved me.
The Jiao family never treated us as human beings and imprisoned our families. We're not gonna do it with them anymore. Let's go to Wu's house together. Do go.
I assure you, as long as you go to the Wu family construction site, the Wu family will not owe everyone money.
Also on ID.
I don't drink anymore. If you have something to say, it's good to say. Why are you so close?
Have you ever wondered? You've been a sheriff for so long. Why is it still this poor soul?
It's not the same to spend money with or without money.
I have a problem. If you have a lot of money, you can't sleep.
But I don't think you're right.
You name this. Nothing. You just can't live without money. If you don't have money, others will look down on you. Without money, you have no dignity. But as long as you have the money, you're an uncle everywhere.
Others look down on you. It has nothing to do with money. It has something to do with yourself.
I'm not going to fight with you. I'll just cap. If I give you a chance to be rich, do you want or not?
Look what the money is.
This is what Mr. Jiang entrusted me to pass on to you.
Murder and manslaughter.
Don't. You know the difference between the two words. That's a good thing. This kind of money that has no conscience, I'm not interested.
In that case, there is no need to talk about it.